Hey guys, today I want to show you a very nice trick how you can make very nice variation of your bass line. For example, if you have some nice progression like I have, for example, let's say you created some beautiful progression, making, for example, pad, or let's say we have something like this. And let's say you want to make your bass line identically as your pad notes goes. So what you can do, you don't have to, if you for example want to do, say, more complicated bass, let's say with different note, not just with the root note all the time, 116 for example, or 1/8, you want to go like higher with the on the pitch and so on. So we can use Arpeggiator in Ableton. So for example, so now I have my kick and bass, I have the bass patch here, and I will choose my Arpeggiator here in Ableton. I will go here, and what we can do now, we can, for example, just use the rate 116, and for example I will choose the gate around 70. So for now I have something like this. Okay, so now we have, so I just use these notes from my pad, and what we can do to make it better, we have to select all of them, click Control C, click again Control and V, and now Shift and arrow up. So we're gonna have a second layer of our notes, or you can just select all of them, and by holding Control you can move them higher. So now we're gonna have 3 layers. So let's, maybe I will just deactivate these two, I mean the third one, and let's see what we have already. It's already something different, but what we can do here, we can choose retrigger for note or beat, and what works for me the best, it's actually beat. So you can see how it will work if we have only 2 notes, I mean 2 notes overlapped each other, and you can change the intervals. So let's check the 3/8 interval, and the style is up, so you can check how it's gonna sound now. Okay, and now let's check, and let's check, for example, the quarter, I guess it's a 3/4. If you will try different intervals, you will get a little bit different result. Well, the 3/16 actually works the best, look. And now let me change it, for example, for different style. Let's go into, I don't know, this converge. Look at this. Okay, let's check another one. Slightly different algorithm in different rhythm. So now let's open the third layer. Look at this. I will click 0 and check this out now. Okay, let's check different one. totally different rhythm now with the context. If you feel that your bass is too short, you can always make it like, for this, for example, a T. And here you can see just one note. For one guy, this one will be better, and for another, previous one will be better. So it's just up to you and your taste. To be honest, I like only two notes overlapping each other, and I think it's much better. What else you can do? You can, for example, just use the gate to make it shorter, longer, or just change the intervals so you will get different rhythms. And for example, you can check the random. Let's say. Let's check one. Check this. Maybe. Look. Let's check the one beat, one bar. So all the time, if you're gonna change the interval, you will get a little bit different the groove of on this bass. Verge works very good at 316. Context. Very quickly, a very quick tutorial. If you don't know how to make some nice groovy bass, just use even one note. You can just use just one note and you will also have it. So look at this, look at this. Look at this. Look, if I just put the gate at over 100, look at this. Look at this. What do we have? That's amazing. Look at this. With the all progression. By the way, all these presets are from Fractalis preset pack. Okay, we're gonna finish now because I wanted to make just quick tutorial. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you'll use it and try it. Experiment with this a lot. You will get very nice results. Okay, guys, have a good one and see you in next video.